Greetings everyone, I am Immaculate from IMA Recreation. Today we will see what are all the different games we can play using this board. This is actually an alignment strategy game called Rota. Later we learned that you can also play Mutere, an African game using the same pattern. So we will see Rota first. Rota is an alignment strategy game. 2 players, 3 coins. So the game starts by keeping the coins. So this is for one player, that's for another player. Players can move their coin to the next available space. So this coin can go here or here. So this can go only here because there is no next available space. This can go either here or there. So like that you should try to take turns and move, and objective is to form 3 in a row of your own coin using the centerpiece. So this is a winning position. So whoever gets that first, they are the winners, and you can also play for few points. So first player moves, second player moves, first player moves, second player again. So if first player moves this out, then they will win. So he moves here, this guy blocks them, they move out. See, now this player is the winner. So there is a strategy, like there are a lot of strategies in this. You can play this game as Rota. This is Roman game Rota. You can also play this game as Kattam Vilayattu of Tamil Nadu, where you have a square and same lines will be there. There what they will do, you have to keep, one player should keep one coin, the other player has to keep another coin. The next player should keep one coin, the other player has to block it, but still they can form 3 in a row. So you can form 3 in a row anywhere. So that way also you can play, or you can play with a variation that you can keep one, opponent can keep one, and you can form 3 in a row only using the middle one, but nobody should keep it in the middle. So these are all some of the variations. So my children used to call this as Vattam Vilayattu. Kattam means square, Vattam means round. Okay, so that is another way of playing. So now we will see Mutere, the African war strategy game. So this is a completely different game. It's called blocking game. So 2 players, 4 coins each. So here the objective is, again, each one can keep one, or you can play with 4 already kept also. Each one can keep one. The objective is to block your opponent completely so that they cannot move. So any player can keep it anywhere, but your objective is to make sure that your opponent doesn't have any move. So both keep one, and you can just move and play. So suppose if this guy's turn, he can move, we can move like that. You have to make sure that your opponent doesn't have any move. So in this case, see, he can move here, you can block. You have to block them completely so that they cannot move. So just try to play this game. This game most of the times it will result in draw only. So when draw happens, if you repeat the same movement 3 times, then draw happens, or the pattern repeats 3 times and draw happens. But if you are very smart, you can completely block your opponent from moving. For example, if you have something like this, then if you actually see, you have blocked your opponent completely. So this guy cannot move now. So that's the, see, even if you move this, they won't be able to move. So they won't be able to move. So you have to get a position like this. Okay, please do play and enjoy the game. Thank you so much for the customer who reminded that we have not put a video specifically for this game. It's dedicated to that customer. I will upload this now. Please do play and enjoy the game.